Hi and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I just have a little unboxing and I guess maybe a little review for you. And I'm just going to get right into it. I have to thank my hubby. He went to Giant Tiger and he came home with this perfume for me. It's ADRIANNA Cotton Candy Perfume du Parfait perfume by the MIRAGE brand. So I thought I would unbox this. I guess they were having sort of a perfume cologne sale because he got a cologne for himself. So you get two for $10. So they each were like $5, which I think was a good price. So I'm just going to unbox this with you all. Just open it. So I thank him so much. That was so nice of him to get this for me, like cotton candy. Let me know if you have this perfume and if you like it or not. I'd love to hear. I love the packaging. That's darling packaging. Ooh, and this is what the beautiful bottle looks like. I'm going to take the top off and give myself a little bit of a spray here. Okay, I'm going to read you what the notes are in this. ADRIANNA, I think I'm saying that right, cotton candy is the smell of berries, candies, and vanilla. Topped with notes of frosted blackberries, followed by marshmallow, fluff, and playful and flirty. Fun, sweet perfume, floral, fruity fragrance group, and it's a unique alternative to an expensive designer fragrance because this is an impression with a scent similar to the popular celebrity fragrance of Sweet Light Candy by ARIANA Grande. I don't know if I said her name right. Sorry. This item is not associated with the name brand original. This is 3.4 ounces. And it has new cellophane seal packaging. And it's by the MIRAGE brand. So I was just reading that off like the computer just to give you. It's really nice. I'm not sure. It does have sort of a sweet smell to it, but I'm not sure if it smells like cotton candy. But I do really like it. Oh, and here it says on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, you know how I like to rate? If you've watched my reviews, I like to rate my items. 10 being awesome and 1 not being so great. I would have to rate this perfume. I would rate it probably, I give it an 8 out of 10. I really quite like it. And for the price that my husband got it for, I think is a great price, $5. I've seen it on the internet for actually more than that. So that was an awesome buy, and like I said, I really like the packaging in the bottle. It's just beautiful. So, thank you for joining me here today on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. I hope you all are doing well, and I apologize for the lack of videos. But remember, believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope this helps you out. And like I said, if you have this perfume, or tell me if you like it or not down below. I'd love to hear. And toodaloo for now. And big thanks again to my husband and to all of you, my darlings. Toodles! Thank you. Thanks for watching.